Hello everyone. Today I'm going to unbox this Asus VivoBook X411U. It is this laptop is powered by AMD processor, which is a quad-core CPU. This laptop is having 512 GB SSD and 8 GB RAM. It's having full HD display. The display is very fine. It's a very lightweight laptop. It's having a weight of 1.43 kgs. Let me keep this one aside, and you can find in here this power cable. I already did the unboxing video of this one, but I lost the video of that unboxing. Now in here you can find the power adapter and some user manual. I bought this laptop on Amazon at an exchange price of about 21,000 rupees. After I bought this laptop, the next day they have raised the price of this laptop by 2,000 rupees. Today this laptop is about 31,000 rupees. You can check it out on the Amazon. As you can see, it looks very gorgeous, like a MacBook Air. It's powered by AMD A12 quad-core processor, and it's having a Nano Edge Full HD display. And also this laptop is lightweight, chiclet style keyboard, which is not having any number pads. Let me switch on this laptop. This laptop boots very quickly. Booting time is very less because of the solid state storage. 512 GB, you are going to get 512 GB of SSD and 8 GB of RAM. You can expand it to 12 GB, and then you can also put HDD. There is a slot for hard disk drive. I have the fingerprint reader is very fast. Now you can see the display. This display is full HD display, which is very sharp, very good display for this price range. At the sides of this laptop you can see the two USB ports and SD card reader and LED indicator lights. In the other side of the laptop you'll be having a charging port, HDMI output, and one more USB port, USB type C, and also a slot for headphone jack. At the bottom you can see the speakers here. These are Sonic Master speakers, which are not that much loud. It's okay for this price range. And here you can see some heating while using. It can be bearable. That heat can be bearable. This laptop Wi-Fi connection is good. Battery backup is for about 3.5 to 4 hours only. Battery drains very quick. Of course you will be having 45 watt charging adapter. You will be having that option of fast charging. My suggestion is if you are having a budget of 30,000 rupees, you should go for this laptop. Why? Because of this full HD display and 8 GB RAM and also 512 GB of solid state drive. Mainly this laptop is very light, having very light weight, and this AMD processor is better than Core i3. You can check out the differences between this AMD processor, A12 processor, and Core i3. If you can adjust this battery backup of 3.5 hours, you can go for this laptop. If you want a better battery life, you have to go for the Intel processors. For normal usage, this laptop is preferred. This also plays HDR content, HDR videos, that it can play 4K videos. My suggestion is, if you are having a budget of about 31,000 rupees, you can definitely go for this laptop. I got this laptop at exchange price of about 21,000 rupees. That's a very good deal. Okay, thank you.